Hey guys, if you already work on televisions or other electronics and want to learn more about television repair, make sure you check out the Art of Troubleshooting and Repairing Modern Televisions. This is an intense, detailed, easy to understand, online television repair course designed to show you how TVs work by covering important circuits and sub-circuits. You are not going to find anything like this online, especially in the English language. Students also have an online community where they can post videos, pictures, and ask questions about TV repair. The entire course is step-by-step instructions covering every circuit from the power cord to the power button in that order. And that, my friends, is the art. Knowing how the television works from start to finish. All the trainings include live PowerPoint presentations showing you in detail how all the circuits work, and also live hands-on trainings putting you right there in the action. This entire course is expected to be completed by midsummer, but you do have access now for a special pre-launch price, and it presently includes over 8 hours of intense, detailed, easy to understand trainings. And my name is Robert. I've been working on television for 30 years, and I wish I would have had a course like this about 10 years ago. That would have absolutely shortened my learning curve. If you want to see a 15-minute demo demonstration of the course, just go to my channel, Big Dog 8882, and check out the TV repair course update and live course footage. And that has over 15 minutes of raw footage from inside the course. So guys, what are you waiting on? Click the link below or in the video somewhere, and I will see you in the course. Big Dog out.